We both wanted to send Niamh to a Welsh-speaking school, so we're both non-Welsh speakers, but we think living in Wales we should speak Welsh.
I would say my first son, it was a difficult decision because we're non-Welsh speakers, and so we had to sort of consider all the options. But second time round now, no, it wasn't a difficult decision at all. It was a very easy one that she was going to do the same.
Fiona is very fluent in Welsh. She can speak quite a lot of Welsh at home. My husband speaks Welsh to her and I speak English, and she has a lot of bilingual books, so she's sort of really come on since starting at the Cylch.
Mae plant yn dysgu Cymraeg trwy trochi a mae'n weithio. Mhlant I, dwi wedi dysgu Cymraeg, mhlant yn dod, da ni'n teulu Saesneg adra. Mhlant di dod i'r Cylch Meithrin yma a mae di mynd trwy'r ysgol I gyd a maen nhw wedi cael bwydio'r iaith trwy amser a rwan maen nhw'n siarad Cymraeg yn hollol rigol a ges i'r cyfle I dysgu gyda nhw hefyd a mae dull trochi yn gweithio.
Dwi'n meddwl beth ni'n trio wneud wrth siarad efo'r rhieni ydy deithio nhw gymaint o fantes ydy o I siarad Cymraeg i'r plant a gymaint maen nhw'n mynd I elwa o fod yn siarad mwy nag un iaith.
The advice I would give to parents who are unsure about whether to send their kids to a Welsh medium school or Cylch would be, don't be scared of it. Don't feel that it's not for you. If you're not from Wales, it doesn't matter. The more you send them, the better they get, and then you're going to give them a free skill and a free skill for life, and you're going to give them the opportunity of being part of the culture which they should be able to be part of, I'd say.
For parents who aren't sure to send their children to Cylch Meithrin, I would say do it. It's done my children the world of good. My two eldest, they're so happy going and they meet all of their friends before they came, and yeah, they thoroughly enjoy school before because I think because they went to Cylch Meithrin.
So the reason why we chose Cylch Meithrin was really because we wanted them to be fully immersed in the Welsh culture, Welsh language. And I'm coming from a country that also has got kind of bilingualism and it's got minority languages, and it's so important that from a very young age they start learning and they're getting those skills and being part of the Welsh community.